Hi animal lovers! Today we are driving into some exciting moments from our bird sanctuary. Let us take you on a journey into the daily life of our lovely bird farm. Meet Jackie and Rosie, the dynamic duo. Many of our birds have started laying eggs. We are heartbroken because our beloved blue parrot's egg cracked. The lovebirds and their fierce love. Our lovebirds produced 1 out of 3 eggs. Normally, my father takes care of our birds. Sometimes my mother also did it in absence of my father, but we all of our family members love and care our birds much. Feeding time is always a delightful chaos. My father mixed pate with sunflower seeds well. From adorable moments of love to the challenges of nurturing new lives, every day here is a roller coaster of emotions. Today, one bird even kissed my father's foot as if to say thank you. All the birds rushed to the food, chirping excitedly. Watching their joy reminds me why I love doing this every day. The green parrots, in particular, are a sight to behold. Their vibrant colors and playful nature make them a treasure of nature. When Parrot left the food bowl, now it is time for lovebirds. Let's go to our blue ringneck parrot. One of its egg cracked little bit. We decided to repair the cracked egg using lime. First, the lime was too soft, so father kept kneading it until it was firm enough. This technique commonly used by bird breeder. It may successful if the liquid inside egg don't leak. Anyway, my father did it so carefully. It is uncertain that if it will be success, but we can't give up. With great care, my father sealed the cracked part to prevent it from breaking further and to keep out moisture. There are 3 eggs now. Hopefully they will lay until 5 as per their previous record. Both father and mother bird observe our work so attentively made it all worth it. Our palm-headed parakeet is desperately searching for a mate. She makes loud mating calls all day long, looking for a companion. Whenever she sees a bird flying outside the cage, her cries grow louder. Hope we will manage a mate for her soon. Let's move to our lovebirds. They've laid 2 eggs. Isn't wonderful? Hope this pair just started to lay eggs. Hope for more eggs. In another picture, they are waiting a great moment. Watching them care for their chicks is like witnessing pure love in action. There hatch 1 chick from 3 eggs. Please pray to hatch further 2 eggs. Watching the male lovebird woo his mate is like witnessing a romantic masterpiece. No wonder they're called lovebirds for thus loving Beauvoir to partner. They're so adorable in their fierce love. Not long ago, one nest had 5 eggs, but tragically, all the chicks died inside the eggs. Has already laid new ones just 15 days later. Isn't that amazing? This time, we are hopeful for a happier outcome. It is one of the best parrot pair in our aviary based on its color and size. Do you remember the yellow and cream-colored parents? Their chicks have grown a little, but they still have some time before their feathers fully develop. Right now, they're tiny little bundles of fluff so adorable that it melts your heart. In another nest, 3 out of 4 eggs have hatched. Please pray for these little ones as they start their journey in this world. Across the farm, we now have 5 new chicks. The chicks are tiny, wriggly, and look like little blobs of life. As you can see, Jackie and Rosie are at it again. They never seem to stop talking. It's almost like they're gossiping about what's going on in the farm. Arguing, chattering, and then sealing it all with kisses. Rosie even mimics the sound of a cat. And it makes me wonder if we're running a bird farm or a cat sanctuary. As we end today's vlog, I want to thank you for being part of this journey. Our bird farm is not just a place, it's a family. Each bird has a unique personality, and every day brings new stories to share. If you love these birds as much as we do, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to send your prayers for our new chicks and soon-to-be parents. See you next time. See ya, Yashi.